Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to install graphic tools of DirectX in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is open the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to apps and select apps and features. Click on apps and features and select this option, optional features, and click on add a feature and type graphic tools. The best result back in this option. Click on mark this option and select install and wait for the process ending. Wait a moment. When the process ending, this feature listed in this installed features, and you show this text installed, and scroll down and view in the list below or down. And this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. To apply the change, go to the start menu and restart your system. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye. And I hope to help you in this video. Sorry for my English. Login in your PC. And this is all. Goodbye.